Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karina Fabi, and in this opportunity, we're also going to be talking even more about the concept of overbought and oversold. I noticed many traders and people that also teach other traders or show other traders how to gain confidence using the overbought, using the oversold, the RSA specifically, is totally against price action. 100%. Let me show you a quick example here. So this is the MT4. This is my platform, the one that I use. This is my trading account, whatever. Let me show you how, for example, here, understanding the RSA, it will get you in the wrong side. So I'm just going to take you to the extreme situation, extreme example here. This is the RSA. I put a line here on 50, which is half of the way, and you know that it's crossing the 70. People may say that it's getting into the oversold area, and below 30 is into overbought area, and below 30 is into the oversold area. That's typically the levels that I hear people use when it comes to overbought and oversold. So here I'm using the pound dollar, right? I'm talking about Forex now. So pay attention here. When it's crossing the 70 levels, the 70 line, which is giving you the overbought typical situation, I can see in price action that they are really trying to short right here, you see? Because they kind of seen in charts, in chartism, also they see that this is a very important high. So below 27 on the pound dollar, everyone is shorting. I can tell from the overbought level, I can tell from the high, I can tell for everything. What price action is telling me, look, that specific trading session opens with the buy pressure. They open long. They're buying. They're buying, okay? You don't want to get short on the pound, especially after all these buyers, all this open interest on the 26, on the 26.50, on the 26.60, on the 26.70. So you're not shorting on price action. What you're doing actually is waiting for the 27, and you know in price action that about 27, pushing that high is going to get even higher. So you want to go long about 27 exactly here. And look at the RSA is crossing the line. It's in 74, 73, 75, 76. So it's telling you short here, short over here, short, 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 short. Eventually, I can say, yes, it's going to go down. How far? Well, a little bit in your first short transaction, which is the 26.95. So it's kind of like on the same. Instead, price action, because we do day trading, we're scalpers. What we do is like, I'm not going to short. I'm going to wait on the buyers. What am I going to buy? When everyone else is looking to short, so you know in price action that if you have buy situation, a buy price about 27, what is the price going about 27? It's going after 27.50, and that's the map price that I talk about in my book. I talk about and many other examples, how you can set up the right map price on everything you want to do, either stocks is a quite delicate situation to do a map price. Let's stick to index, Forex, and commodities, right? So about 27, I'm not shorting. I'm taking advantage of the buyers. I'm getting 30 pips here. It's going down. Yes, I'm not going to short unless I have a sale opening day. If they opens for the seller, then yes, I'm going to be shorting. But no, under these circumstances where the pound is just pushing up and pushing up and pushing up. So then it's going to go down. Yes, I'm not shorting. I'm sticking to the buy. I'm going to buy again at the 27 here. And this particular situation is kind of getting into 70, which is the overbought line, but it's not there yet. It's not there yet. Now it's telling you going short, but again, you're buying on the 27 up to 20. If you want to scalp it, you want to take 27, 27, 10, 27, 20, 27, 30. You knew that it's going to go after 27.50 and boom, you are on the right side of the market, not waiting for the sellers, not waiting for the shorts, And then eventually, because the pound dollar is in below 30, which is in the sell market area, eventually you want to be shorting. In the meantime, you don't, the overbought, the oversold has nothing to do. Let's give another example here. For example, over here, look at the RSA. Look, it was the entire day on the March 7th, March 8th, March the 10th, that over here is at the 7th and the 8th. Everything in the overbought, everything on the overbought, all the time. Did you see the price on the 7th, on the 8th going down? Have you seen it going down? Absolutely not. And you knew this from the right beginning of the 27, that you're looking for the 27.50. About 27.50, price action tells you you do not want to short. We're going after the 128. That's it. And you knew that from the right beginning. You don't need the overbought, oversold situation there. So it never went down. So all these buyers were accumulating buy trades, and then boom, another level. We're talking about 28.50. Above 28.50, what's the next level? You know, this is the 129. And that's when you get to approach to the buy pressure area. But I'm not going to talk about the transition of areas here. Just to give you a quick example, why you don't want to stick to the overbought to short. Forget about it. You do your MAP price. So what you want to do actually to get rid of your all indicators, you don't want to use them. Actually, I don't even know how to remove an indicator. I mean, I haven't been using indicators for so long. So just get rid of them. Trust me. Your chart must be clean, you know. It might help you the pivot points, but just to get through price activity, okay? Not to set up a strategy. Pivot points at the most, and then all your lines that you want to set up in your chart must be where to buy, where to take your profits, where to short if it is the opportunity to short. That's it. Your strategy must be focused on the levels. Okay. The overbought has nothing to do with price action, has nothing to do with day traders. It will mess your strategy up. Trust me on that one. Okay. We're gonna get through more specifics on details. Again, you can find MAP prices on my book. You can get it on my website, because I tell you exactly what levels you want to buy, what levels you want to short, depending on the day. Okay, depending on the day. If you do open for buyers, if you do open for sellers, that's when you want to set up your strategy, depending on them, especially the FX market. It's all up to them, all up to Europe. And then London, of course, will follow up, and then the US will just, you know, get over that market. They will follow, except of data. Okay, I'm talking about news here. News is just a different situation, which we're going to talk about also in the next videos. I really hope this example helps you to kind of get convinced once and for all that you don't want to get the concept of overbought to short or the oversold to buy. Okay, price action, it will take you to the right way. It will take you to the right path, and especially it will give you consistency over time. I'll see you on the next video.